Let me be honest with you for a few seconds. You start posting on your Facebook page, followers are not growing, like is very low, comment is very, and you start thinking, is Facebook page is dead for me? If you found this similar, then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you how you can grow your Facebook page follower in 2026. Obviously organically, no ads, no fake tricks, just with real life example. First, talk about the difference between Facebook page like and Facebook page followers. Like means I like this Facebook page, just a one-time reaction. It doesn't guarantee that they will see your future post again. Imagine you see a shop, you look at the shop and you say just nice shop and then walk away. You like only that moment, not the whole journey. What is follow? When someone follow your Facebook page, it means he is more interested to watch from you on his feed. He wants regular update, he wants more posts, reels, stories, videos from your Facebook page. Now imagine you see a shop and went to the shop and tell the shopkeeper that I want to know the update of when the latest product will come. You are interested about that shop. That is follower. So we can say likes makes you feel good, but followers helps you to grow your business. Hi there. If you are new here, I am Tarek. I work with digital marketing and business growth, and what I will share with you today all comes from my experience, not a theory. Number 1. People follow people, not Facebook page. The first thing you should keep in mind that people does not follow a Facebook page. People follow a human. Let's give a real life example. Think about yourself for a second. When you scrolling, you watched a polish ad. What you do at that moment? You just scroll away. But when you see a real people is talking in front of camera, maybe he is doing mistake, he is talking so much casually or normally, you stop scroll. Your brain says this is a real person. Now action tip. So what you should do? Come in front of camera, talk with camera like your friend. Don't try to be perfect, but be the real person. Number 2. Stop selling, start solving problem. This is where I have seen most Facebook page fails. They just post, sell, buy, discount, offer, other and others. Let me be honest, nobody like this. Imagine a stranger people come to you and you start selling a product in front of him and start saying, hey, this is my product sir, please buy this. Will you buy from him? Obviously not. But imagine someone says, Tarek, I know you are struggling with this problem. Let me explain why this is happened and how you can solve this problem. Now you definitely listen because he is talking with you and you can relate with you and your problem. So content formula should be teach something, explain a problem, give a solution to the problem, and if it matches with your product, then you can mention it naturally. Now number 3, share your daily life and behind the scene story. You don't need fancy content every day. Share what you are doing on your daily life, your daily experience. For an example, you are working, share it. You are doing mistake, share it. You are learned something from your mistake, then you can also share it. If a customer asks you a question, just make a video on that topic. When people see your journey, they feel connected with your Facebook page, and more connection brings more followers. So simple. Number 4. Consistency matters more than quality. Remember, your consistency can brings followers for you. Simple truth, if you give a Facebook post today and disappear for next 10 days, then Facebook will forget you. Even your audience also forget you. Most pages you think blew over a night, it's not like that. They are consistent for months, and when nobody sees them, they are consistent on their work. Just post 3 to 5 times per week. Short videos are good, simple posts are fine. Keep in mind, consistency beats the perfection every time. Number 5. Talk with your audience, not at them. Keep in mind, Facebook is not a TV channel, it's a conversation media. What to do? Reply to comment, reply to message, ask question in your post, and you can also ask them what they need now. When people comment on Facebook, Facebook thinks that this post is valuable. That's why it gives more reach to that post. Number 6. Use real video. In 2026, people are tired of watching polish ad. Now they want natural things. A real human with a simple phone, natural light, talking normally to the audience. Believe me, it works better more than an expensive ad. If your video feel like an ad, people definitely scroll away. But if your video feel like a human, then people obviously stop. Number 7. Arrange a contest. After arranging contest, you can give a small gift to the engaged audience. Why this work? People love recognition, small reward, and feeling special. You can say, I am running a simple contest for 7 days. The people who stay with me, like they engaged with me, they comment and they will share, they will get a small gift from our page. Obviously, announce the winner in publicly. It will brings trust upon your page. You can make a post, tag the winner and say thank you to join on this contest. Why this helps Facebook page? When people become more engaged with your Facebook page, Facebook refer it to other people. So, more engagement, more reach is equal to more followers. Number 8. Optional boost. You can run smart engagement ad. This will help you to boost your Facebook followers. Now what to boost? The post which already have more like, follower and share and comment, you can just run an engagement ad with this post. This will build social proof, trust and this will help you to reduce your ad cost. Final mindset shift. Growing a Facebook page organically, it's not a magic. You have to invest your time. It's about showing up, being a human. Do all this for 30 days, 60 days, 90 days and obviously your page will grow. If you have any question related to this, you can ask me on the comment box. I will definitely reply. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel for getting more this type of tips. Thank you for watching.